Elon Musk makes one of his riskiest bets ever, linking Tesla's fortunes to Bitcoins.
Tesla, in a new filing, says that they've updated their investment policy to provide them with more flexibility to, are you ready for this, be able to buy Bitcoin.
Just 2 days ago, when Elon Musk said he was getting off Twitter, that didn't last very long. Overnight, he's been tweeting, and it is driving up Dogecoin.
Can you just explain to us the significance of Tesla selling Bitcoin and in turn making over $100 million?
There is no doubt that Elon Musk and Tesla are among the biggest and most passionate believers in cryptocurrency. However, the recent news that shocked everyone was that Elon Musk's electric vehicle company, Tesla, recently sold 10% of its Bitcoins. In fact, it was revealed in Tesla's earnings report that the firm, which bought more than $1 billion of the tokens earlier this year, generated $10 million in income from the sale of these Bitcoins. So, what was the actual reason behind Tesla selling its Bitcoins? How Musk responded to the outrageous reaction of the crypto community? And what will be the impact of this decision on Bitcoin's performance in the long run? Let's find out in today's video. Hey guys, and welcome back to Investing Few. If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Make sure to do so if you want all the latest news on cryptocurrency. So, without any delay, let's jump right into the video and talk about why Tesla sold some of its Bitcoins and what Elon Musk wanted to prove with this sudden decision. So, without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Tesla sold 10% of its Bitcoins. They're arguably the two biggest business names on the planet, Bitcoin and Elon Musk. So when the Tesla CEO disclosed in the Q1 earnings release on April 26th that the EV maker had booked a fat gain by selling part of the Bitcoin hoard it famously amassed early this year, the Twitter sphere erupted. For those of you who don't have any idea, at the beginning of this week, Tesla shared its earnings report that revealed the company had invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin during the quarter, then trimmed its position by 10%, which contributed to a small gain in its first quarter financials. During the first quarter of 2021, Tesla reported a net income of $438 million. It was said in the earning reports, and I quote, that in some years we may grow faster, which we expect to be the case in 2021. The rate of growth will depend on our equipment capacity, operational efficiency, and capacity and stability of the supply chain. Tesla reported total revenue growth of 74% on year in the first quarter of 2021. In a filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in February this year, Tesla said it bought the Bitcoin for more flexibility to further diversify and maximize returns on its cash. Tesla also said that the company will start accepting payments in Bitcoin in exchange for its products, subject to applicable laws and initially on a limited basis. So what was the reason behind this Bitcoin sell-off by Tesla? Main reason behind Bitcoin sell-off. When this news broke out, everyone started criticizing the Tesla chief Elon Musk, who then confirmed while clarifying that his personal investment remains unchanged. The Tesla and SpaceX CEO was responding to a tweet by Barstool Sports founder Dave Portnoy, who questioned Musk's sale of Bitcoins and claimed that he had bought the cryptocurrency and made a fortune by selling it at a higher price. Portnoy tweeted, "So am I understanding this correctly? At Elon Musk buys Bitcoin, then he pumps it, it goes up, then he dumps it and makes a fortune. Listen, I own one Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is exactly who we thought it was. Just don't be last one holding the bag." To this, Musk responded saying that Tesla's decision to prove liquidity of Bitcoin as an alternative to holding cash on balance sheet. Musk replied in these words, "No, you do not. I have not sold any of my Bitcoin. Tesla sold 10% of its holdings essentially to prove liquidity of Bitcoin as an alternative to holding cash on balance sheet," he replied. In fact, Musk and Tesla have been huge promoters of Bitcoin. They have often pushed the price of cryptocurrency with their investments. Tesla CFO Zachary Kirkhorn has said that the company will continue to hold Bitcoin for the long term and reaffirmed Tesla's commitment to the cryptocurrency. In a conference call with analysts, he said, We do believe long-term in the value of Bitcoin. It is our intent to hold what we have long-term and continue to accumulate Bitcoin from transactions from our customers as they purchase vehicles. This was apparently the first time Musk disclosed that he himself owns Bitcoin. That news and assurances that he's keeping all his coins, backed by the CFO's pledge that Tesla is a long-term holder, cheered enthusiasts and recharged the bull run that started the previous day. Following the release, Bitcoin rose 2% by early afternoon on April 27th to $54,092. Interestingly, the carmaker made more money from Bitcoin than its sales. In fact, 1/3 of its profit in the first quarter of 2021 came from Bitcoin selling. The carmaker also made $518 million from selling emissions credits to other carmakers, up from $354 million a year ago. Will Tesla buy more Bitcoin? On the conference call, Kirkhorn spoke extensively about Bitcoin's benefits and why Tesla sold. Elon and I were looking for a place to store cash that wasn't being immediately used, trying to get some level of return on this, but also preserve liquidity, he declared. The rationale for trimming its position, he explained, was in part to test the ease of buying and selling. Bitcoin passed in a walk. We've been quite pleased with the liquidity in the Bitcoin market, said Kirkhorn. It would be interesting to know what commissions Tesla paid in reaping that $272 million. Coinbase, the largest U.S. crypto exchange, recently disclosed average fees of 0.47% on each dollar it handles in transactions. At that rate, Tesla would have paid a jaw-dropping $1 million to make the trade. Kirkhorn affirmed Tesla's commitment to Bitcoin, as did Musk in his Twitter jab at Portnoy. We do believe in the long-term value of Bitcoin, observed the CFO, so it's our intent to hold what we have long-term and to continue to accumulate Bitcoin from transactions from our customers as they purchase vehicles. What Kirkhorn didn't say is that Tesla has any intention of making more mega bets, like the $1.5 billion buy that helped propel the Bitcoin to never-before-seen prices. Tesla has been producing autos since 2008, but it's only been trading Bitcoin for a single quarter. It's worth noting that during its maiden 3 months doing both, it fared much as a Bitcoin speculator than as a car maker. In Q1, Tesla posted pre-tax profits of $533 million, but those earnings included $519 million in sales of regulatory credits, a boost that will soon disappear, as well as the $101 million Bitcoin bonanza. Subtract those benefits outside selling cars, batteries, and services, and it lost $87 million. Excluding the $101 million profit, its appreciation from the Bitcoin foray amounted to well over $700 million. Conclusion? Now that the 10Q publication season is upon us, analysts are keenly watching and waiting to see if other companies like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google in particular might follow where Tesla has led. If this potential outcome unfolds, then expect the bull run of cryptocurrency prices to garner further momentum. Although this is not without its risks, but there is no denial of the potential that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have. Some experts are predicting $100,000 plus Bitcoin prices. If they are proven correct, then there will be no stopping for Bitcoin in the future. And that brings us to the end of today's video. What do you think about Tesla's decision to sell Bitcoin? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, drop your suggestions or feedback for the upcoming videos. And make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.